Workday Adaptive Planning Training by Vistasparks Solutions. More. Master modern financial planning, budgeting, forecasting, and business performance management with our comprehensive Workday Adaptive Planning Training program. Learn how to streamline planning processes, automate reporting, and gain real-time business insights using one of the leading cloud-based planning solutions. This hands-on training helps professionals and organizations improve collaboration, enhance forecasting accuracy, and make data-driven decisions through advanced planning and analytics capabilities. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email IT. Know more about our services. Vistasparks Solutions provides Workday Adaptive Planning Training to empower organizations to achieve success. The company specializes in driving agility and insight within businesses, ensuring smooth integration with existing systems. Vistasparks Solutions partners with organizations to deliver tailored solutions that streamline financial operations, enhance team efficiency, and provide real-time insights into organizational challenges and systems. The company offers expert-led training programs that cater to individual needs and goals. Vistasparks Solutions supports organizations in transforming their planning capabilities or optimizing existing systems. Traditional planning methods often rely on rigid frameworks and manual processes, which can lead to inefficiencies and delays. In today's fast-paced business environment, companies need to be able to adapt quickly to changing circumstances. However, these traditional approaches may not provide the agility and flexibility required to meet the demands of modern businesses. Individual training is self-paced, allowing learners to work on their own schedule and at their own pace. This flexibility is ideal for those who need to balance multiple responsibilities, such as working full-time jobs while pursuing additional education or certifications. With individual training, learners can review material as many times as they need, pause when needed, and accelerate when ready. This approach also allows learners to focus on specific areas of interest or weakness, making it easier to identify knowledge gaps and address them more effectively. Additionally, individual training often includes certification upon completion, providing learners with a tangible demonstration of their skills and knowledge. By offering this flexible learning option, Vistasparks Solutions empowers learners to take control of their professional development and achieve their goals. The Workday Adaptive Planning Solution provides a comprehensive set of tools for managing performance across multiple dimensions. This includes financial planning and management, human capital management, supply chain management, and risk management. The solution also offers advanced analytics and reporting capabilities to support decision-making. Workday Adaptive Planning is a powerful tool that can help organizations plan smarter, forecast faster, and adapt with agility. The cloud-native platform enables companies to transform their approach to budgeting, forecasting, and strategic decision-making. Using Workday Adaptive Planning allows teams to have a unified view of an organization's financial performance, enabling more informed and efficient decision-making. The platform streamlines the budgeting and forecasting process, saving valuable time and resources. Adjustments can be made to plans as market conditions change, ensuring the organization remains competitive and successful. Real-time insights and analysis provide the ability to make data-driven decisions that drive corporate success. Regardless of size, Workday Adaptive Planning offers the necessary tools and capabilities to support a company's unique needs. Through this training, users will learn how to effectively utilize the platform and elevate their organization's success. The company provides a range of services including consulting, training, and coaching. The training programs are designed to help individuals and organizations achieve their goals by developing skills such as communication, leadership, and problem-solving. The training programs are delivered through various channels, including workshops, webinars, and online courses. The company also offers customized solutions for clients who require specific training needs. Meals. The curriculum is expert, led by experienced professionals with extensive knowledge of Workday. The training covers real-world use cases that are relevant to the industry. This includes practical business scenarios that help learners develop skills employers seek. The certified practitioners have extensive experience working with enterprise-level organizations. They provide a real-world enterprise experience that helps learners understand how to implement and manage Workday solutions. The training also focuses on analytics and EPM space. Individual training is designed for professionals and students who want to learn at their own pace. This type of training allows individuals to focus on specific skills or knowledge areas without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. With our individual training program, you will have access to all the necessary resources to help you succeed. These resources include instructor-led sessions, study resources, certification, and live demos and real-time Q&A. The primary objective of this training is to provide you with the tools and support needed to achieve your goals. Upon completion of this training, you will earn a certificate of completion, which can be used to demonstrate your expertise and commitment to your profession. Individual growth and corporate transformation are two distinct yet interconnected concepts. As individuals, we strive for personal development and self-improvement, while as organizations, we aim to evolve and adapt to changing market conditions. At Vistasparks Solutions, we understand the importance of both these aspects. Our training pathways cater to various needs, whether you're looking to enhance your skills individually or lead a team towards success. We offer tailored solutions that can help you achieve your goals, regardless of your current level of expertise. Whether you're seeking to improve your performance or drive organizational change, our adaptive planning training will provide you with the necessary tools and knowledge to succeed. By choosing Vistasparks Solutions, you'll gain access to industry-relevant content, expert-led curriculum, and practical business scenarios that mimic real-world challenges. This enables you to develop the skills and confidence needed to drive positive change within your organization. With our flexible training options, you can opt for self-paced learning or team-focused approaches, and ensuring that everyone involved is aligned and working towards common objectives. By investing in your growth and transformation, you'll be empowered to make informed decisions, streamline financial operations, and unlock new opportunities for your organization. At Vistasparks Solutions, we're committed to helping you achieve your full potential. The company has been using corporate training for several years now. The training program has helped improve team efficiency by aligning planning processes across departments. This has resulted in increased productivity and better decision-making. The real-time financial data provided by the training program has also helped streamline financial operations. As a result, the company has seen an increase in overall efficiency. Individualized learning experiences tailored to meet the needs of each learner are provided through our self-paced, certified, expert-led training modules. Our training programs are designed to give learners the knowledge and skills needed to master Workday Adaptive Planning, including foundational EPM concepts, advanced automation and integration strategies, and real-time insights. Through our structured module-by-module curriculum, learners will gain a comprehensive understanding of Workday Adaptive Planning and be able to apply it in their organizations. Our training programs are led by certified Workday practitioners who have extensive experience in implementing and automating Workday Adaptive Planning solutions in real-world enterprises. By working with us, learners can accelerate their careers and achieve success in their roles. Individualized learning experiences tailored to each learner's needs and pace are provided. Self-paced training modules with expert-led certification are available. Corporate training solutions are designed to meet the unique needs of teams. Real-time insights and automated reporting capabilities are offered. Customized training programs are aligned with an organization's specific goals and objectives. Expert-led curriculum is developed from practical business scenarios and real-world use cases. Career acceleration is achieved through industry-relevant content and hands-on exercises. Practical knowledge is gained through real-world enterprise experience. Scalable and flexible training options are accommodated to diverse team sizes and structures. Live data visibility and reporting capabilities are provided. Automation of financial operations and planning processes is possible. Alignment of planning processes across departments enables faster, smarter decision-making. Real-time insights and streamlined financial operations are facilitated. Customized training programs are designed around an organization's unique challenges and systems. Practical business scenarios and hands-on exercises mirror actual enterprise planning challenges. Industry-relevant content is delivered by certified Workday practitioners. Hands-on exercises simulate real-world enterprise experience. Career advancement opportunities are offered through practical skills and knowledge. Real-world enterprise experience and practical business scenarios are provided. Automated reporting and live data visibility are offered. Customized training programs and real-world enterprise experience are combined, Practical knowledge and skills are gained through real-world enterprise experience. Real-world enterprise experience and practical business scenarios are provided. Practical knowledge and skills are gained through real-world enterprise experience. MAND. Real-world enterprise experience and practical business scenarios are provided. The module focuses on building robust financial models that can be easily adapted to changing business conditions. The emphasis is on constructing flexible, driver-based models that capture the dynamic nature of a company's operations. These models should be able to reflect the impact of various factors, such as market trends, competition, and regulatory changes on the organization's performance. Furthermore, they must be able to handle multiple scenarios and provide insights into the potential outcomes of different business decisions. To achieve this, students will learn how to define assumptions, drivers, and formula logic, manage multi-scenario planning frameworks, and structure their financial models accordingly. By doing so, they will gain a deeper understanding of the complex relationships between financial metrics and business outcomes, enabling them to make more informed decisions. The company has a budget for each department, but they do not have a clear plan for how to use this budget effectively. They need help developing a comprehensive operating budget that aligns with their business objectives and departmental goals. They want to create a short-term forecast that takes into account current financial trends and future growth opportunities. They also want to develop a long-term forecast that considers multiple years of financial data and industry trends. They require guidance on implementing continuous forecasting practices to build reliable forecasts. They need help setting up a system to manage cash flow and track expenses. They want to know how to project costs accurately, considering factors like seasonal fluctuations and economic downturns. They also want to learn how to make informed decisions about resource allocation and management. They are looking for ways to adapt to changing market conditions and stay competitive. They need advice on how to roll out their forecasts regularly and update them as needed. They aim to improve their overall performance and achieve greater success by using effective budgeting and forecasting techniques. The company has a large number of employees working remotely, which makes it difficult to maintain a centralized control over all the data. To address this challenge, the company decided to implement a new system that would allow remote workers to access and manage their own data from anywhere. This system would provide a single point of truth for all the data, ensuring that everyone had access to the same information. The company also wanted to improve its reporting capabilities, as it currently relies heavily on manual processes and spreadsheets. The new system would automate many of these tasks, freeing up staff time to focus on higher-level tasks. Additionally, the company was looking for ways to enhance its collaboration and communication among team members. The new system would facilitate this by enabling remote workers to share and discuss data with colleagues more easily. The company's goal is to increase productivity and efficiency while reducing costs associated with maintaining multiple systems. By implementing the new system, the company aims to streamline its operations and improve overall performance. The training program for team members includes learning about tracking productivity, modeling employee costs, and aligning project-level and operational planning with headcount and salary planning. The goal is to provide them with expertise in resource allocation and strategic planning to optimize team capacity and achieve enterprise-wide financial targets. The focus is on workforce and operational planning, which provides a comprehensive approach to managing resources effectively. Through this training, teams can develop skills that enable them to streamline their financial operations and improve overall performance. Workday Adaptive Planning integrates seamlessly with various enterprise systems such as SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics. To connect these systems, we need to import and transform data from each system into a standardized format that can be easily managed by Workday Adaptive Planning. This involves mapping data fields between the different systems, creating new data entities, and defining relationships between them. Additionally, we must configure security, roles, and user permissions to ensure that sensitive information remains confidential and that users have the necessary access to perform their tasks efficiently. Furthermore, we need to manage data quality and integrity to prevent errors and inconsistencies in our financial operations. By integrating Workday Adaptive Planning with your existing systems, you can gain real-time visibility into your business operations, make more informed decisions, and reduce costs associated with manual data entry and processing. Individualized training can be tailored to meet the specific needs of each learner, allowing them to focus on areas where they need improvement. This approach enables learners to progress at their own pace, accelerating their learning and development. By providing self-paced, certified, expert-led training, individuals can enhance their skills and knowledge, ultimately leading to improved performance and career advancement opportunities. The Workday Adaptive Planning Certification is a highly sought-after credential in the industry. The certification process involves several steps, including a written exam and a practical assessment. The written exam tests your knowledge of Workday adaptive planning concepts, while the practical assessment evaluates your ability to apply those concepts in a real-world setting. Both exams are designed to assess your understanding of the subject matter and your ability to think critically and solve problems. The certification process typically takes several months to complete, but it is well worth the effort. Many professionals who pursue the certification find that it opens doors to new opportunities and enhances their career prospects. Individual training provides flexibility and convenience, allowing you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. 8. With self-paced learning, you can review material as many times as needed, and our expert-led training ensures you receive personalized guidance and support every step of the way. Our certified trainers will provide you with the knowledge and skills necessary to master Workday adaptive planning, giving you the confidence to tackle complex planning tasks and drive business success. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills or advance your career, our individual training program is the perfect choice. By enrolling in our individual training, you'll gain the expertise and insights needed to transform your planning capabilities and achieve your goals. So why wait? Enroll now and start achieving your full potential.